Hello everyone, it's me Lichi Diwata and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to two cover songs of our very own Mission Souls. And I'm so excited because throwback years na naman tayo, 1980s na naman tayo, o diba? And I'm going to make a reaction video for their cover songs, Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now, popularized by none other than Starship, of course, with 110,000 views, and Heaven is a Place on Earth, popularized by none other than Belinda Carlisle, of course, with 40,000 views. Okay, so it was published 7 days ago. Okay, itong two songs na to, I'm so happy because feeling ko high school days na naman ni TJB, kaya pakinggan na natin. Kaya naman, let's go! Kuha-kuha doon ni ay, sampalo! Galing!
It's too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you. Let's say we're crazy, I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart.
Galing ni Ayos.
I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do. Never say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby, don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart.
Wow, ang galing.
And we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us. All that I need is you. All that I ever need.
Galing ni Stacey. Wow.
To do.
Ooh.
Just hold you forever, forever and ever.
Parang naglalaro si Misha, ha? Wow, nagpakanta pa si Ayos. Ang sweet. Wow. Ganado si Ayos. Wow, ang sweet naman, mami. Gusto ko yung insert. Wow, what a great vocals from Mami Sheena. Wow. And then sis. Wow, I like her band. Wow, ang galing. Nothing's gonna stop us now. Walang makapipigil. O, diba? Sa husay ng Mission Souls. Wow na wow. Wow, ang ganda nung ano. Wow, ang napaka-smooth, napakalinis. Ang sarap pakinggan dito. Oh my God, yung kabog. Ang galing ng ating ano.
Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. When the night falls down, I'll wait for you and you come around, and the world's alive with the sound of kids on the street outside.
What a voice, Casey!
When you walk into the room, you pull me close and we start to move. And we're spinning with the stars above, and you lift me up in the wave of love. Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. When I feel alone, I reach for you and you bring me home. When I'm lost at sea, I hear your voice and it carries me. In this world we're just beginning to understand
Grabe, feeling ko high school
miracle
din.
living. Maybe I was afraid before, but I'm not afraid anymore. Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth.
Grabe, ang saya, promise. Wow.
In this world we're just beginning to understand the miracle of living. Baby, I was afraid before, but I'm not afraid anymore.
Galing. Galing ni ano ha, ni Ice.
Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. Ooh,
Ang galing. Wow. Ang galing nung ano ha, nung ating mixing engineer na si Daddy Seka. Napakaganda nung ano, nung cover na to. Ang ganda nung sounds, ang linis-linis. Grabe, as in. Wow. O diba, nothing's gonna stop us now because heaven is a place on earth. Sa ganda naman talaga ng cover songs na to ng Mission Souls. And it's been 3 weeks since the last time that I made a reaction video para sa ating pinakamamahal na Mission Souls, and sobra ko silang na-miss, and ano yung iniisip ko na sana day off ko na para makagawa na ako ng reaction video para sa kanila. And sobrang pipigil ang ginawa ko para lang ma-feel yung initial reaction once na pinakinggan ko po yung kanilang cover songs na to, okay? So, nung makita ko na, oh my God, nag-pop up yung notification ng Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now. And sabi ko, oh my God, gusto ko na pakinggan siya, but kailangan ko intayin mag-day off ako para magawan ko siya ng reaction video. Then after that, Heaven is a Place on Earth na naman. So, okay. So, ayan, sabi ko, wow, high school days. O, diba? Kaya, eto, pinaginawa na natin ng reaction video. And, ang dami kong hahabulin sa kanilang mga cover songs. And sobrang thankful ako kasi binabalik ko yung aking high school days, Mission Souls. At marami kayo napapasaya na mga generation dyan ng 80s. O, diba? Ang ating Gen Xers. And, but anyway, ayan, sobrang akong na-appreciate yung husay ng pagkakaareglo. Daddy Sekan, ang husay mo talagang sound engineer, ang ating mixing engineer, o diba? And aside from basis na napakahusay si Daddy Sekan, talagang timplado niya, kuhang-kuha niya ang napakagandang timpla ng mga cover songs na ginagawa nila. And of course, napaka-great and powerful ng voices ni Mami Sheena and ni Stacy. Kung mapapansin natin yung voice ni Stacy doon sa Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now is far different from the voice sa Heaven is a Place on Earth, okay? So doon sa Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now, syempre siya doon sa medyo mababa, at tapos yung kanyang pagkanta sa Heaven is a Place on Earth, medyo talaga nakuha niya yung voice ni Belinda dito, ha? Hindi mo na matitrace yung Stacy na bata na kasi yung voice niya may pagka-mature na, di ba? Mapapansin natin yung maturity ng voice ni Stacy, talagang pa-level up. And of course, ang powerful voice din ni Mami Sheena. At yung Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now, ang taas ito, pero Mami Sheena, maning-mani lang sa yoto, di ba? Kuha ni Mami Sheena. And sobrang ganda. At kung mapapanood ng Starship, ang itong cover song nyo na to, Mami Sheena, magiging proud sila sa inyo at napakaganda. O diba, hindi lang dahil sa maganda yung voice ni Mami Sheena dito at saka ni Stacy, kundi overall yung husay ng magkakapatid, si Nisha na parang naglalaro lang, si Naces na napakahusay din na keyboardist, and of course our very own Ice na sobrang cool. And alam niyo, gusto ko yung insert na yung mag-iina, diba, si Mami at saka yung mga kiddos na. And sobra ko na-miss yung aking bunso, nagpakarga kay Mami Sheena na napaka-sweet, diba? Sarap-sarap pakinggan nung habang kumakanta sila is nakikita mo na yung mag-iina ang sweet nila, o diba, parang talagang in-insert nila kung gaano kasaya ang bonding nila. At anyway, ayan, wala akong masasabi kundi all in all, napakaganda nung cover song na to, at sobra akong na-appreciate kasi binalik nyo na naman yung aking kabataan during my high school days. Okay, so ayan, I hope na nagustuhan nyo po yung aking reaction video. Medyo natagal na tayong gumawa ng reaction, pero sana supportahan nyo palagi yung ating reaction video. But if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs at marami kong hahabulin para gawa ng reaction video, please don't forget to subscribe Mission Souls. Ayan, ang dami nilang magagandang cover songs na talaga mag-enjoy kayo. If you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell to get notified on my next video. Always remember that music is life and life is still without music, because music is one of the closest things to a time machine. It brings us back to the memories of yesteryears. Kagaya naman ngayon, binalik na naman nila ako sa memories ko ng high school days. Okay, bye-bye everyone. Hope to see you again on my next vlog. At marami pa tayong gagawing reaction video para sa ating pinakamamahal na Mission Souls. Bye-bye! I love you all.